Let's see another question of the day. Choose the benefit of pricing condition type uh, in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. So let's see the options one by one. A is controls pricing procedure, controls properties of pricing conditions. It defined mandatory for access sequence. It controls key fields of condition record. It controls sales document. It controls price determination. All of the above. In this, one or might be right answers, or also all might be correct. You just have to comment the answer. Anyhow, I'll get back to you on this after some time. Let's give it a try. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 780 videos. This is like, huge knowledge for you. If you watch every day one video also, it takes almost 2 years. I can guarantee for this. Okay, so like all these are this is my dedicated forum. Currently, I'm holding around 6,000, not 6,500, 850 students. Mm, So this is my dedicated course for SAP SD. If you really wanted to get see the success, just keep this course with you. It will be helpful throughout your life for interviews and work. If you are already trained, if you are new, then you can choose this one. So I have two different courses for real time for everyone. This is getting master trade functional specification. This is for idoc training. You can able to choose these two courses without any hesitation. If you are a functional consultant, irrespective of any function module, you will get very great idea about how idocs will work and how the functional specs needs to be written for support and support enhancements project is very, very important. Don't neglect this. You can try all these courses. This is for business partners. I have different courses. I'm just providing these links below of this video. If you really want, you can give it a try. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.